Hey guys, so this is basically a solution video for the people who are just trying to install the unauthorized application and basically just forgot to sign in, or their certificate is corrupted, or not signed in properly, or in some ways the signature verification just false, or not verified properly. Then you will when you'll just try to install it by ADB, then you will get this kind of error which says that installed parse failed, no certificate. Basically, it says that failed to collect the certificates from so and so and so data, and it says that attempt to get the length of the null array and something like that, right? Basically, this error is kind of gibberish, which many of people do not understand. This is basically happening because your application is not signed, or not signed properly, you can say, right? So there are multiple ways you can just do this thing and sign the application and install it the way you want. But I just found an application which I guess you will also find on App Store, or you can just go to any of your browser and search for this APK signer. And for now I just downloaded the APK file from this pure APK. And just this basically this application, once you install it in your emulator, will just sign the APK file, which basically does not have any sort of certificate. So it will create a signature, and it will sign the application, and then you'll be good to go with the application, right? So for now, as you are just facing this sort of error, you won't be facing. So for that, what first step we'll do is, first we'll just push this application into our SD card, right? So how we'll do that is, basically we'll just remove this install from here, and we'll say push, and we'll give the location where we want to push this file. So for now, I'll just say slash and ASD card. So it will be basically be pushed into my main file system. If I want to show you, I'll just show you. If you'll go to files and make sure, like from here, you just click on your show internal storage. If you just won't do that, you won't be able to just see this sort of option over here, right? So make sure you just do just toggle around that switch and make that thing to show internal storage, right? So this is the application which basically we just pushed in for now. And for now, if I'll just show you, it says, it just gives me this sort of the alert box, and if I'll just try to continue and just try to install it, you can say that APK not installed. So if you just want to solve this error, what all you can do is, firstly just download this file from here, and do the same thing with it. You can just push that thing in over here. And for now, for me, it is already installed. If I just show you, okay, fine, I'll just show you that thing also. First, I'll just uninstall this, and I'll say okay. Or else you can do one more thing. Basically, once you just are ready and downloaded with this file, for me it is already downloaded. Once you are just ready with it, what all you can do is, you can directly install this from here. So how will you do that? So basically, you will just say adb install, and we'll just give the file name of that. So for me it is just apk, and then yes, sign it should automatically detect by my tab. And if I'll just press enter, then it says like performing stream, then install success. Okay, fine. So if I'll just now check my launcher, you can see that it is already installed again. Fine. So if I'll just open this up, and you can see two options over here. One says sign a live application, and one says sign a file. So we just want to sign a APK file. So we'll just do that. So we'll just do that, and once we come into our file system, we'll just select the application which we want to sign. We'll say save, and the signing process will be automatically done from here. Okay, so then now once you'll click from here, it says that for the security reason, your phone does not allow the unknown apps from installing from this source. So basically, you will just have to allow this source, allow from this source. You will have to do this and toggle it on the switch and on that settings. And then it says that, do you want application? I'll say yes, I want to install that application. And then after the application will be successfully installed. Fine. So basically, this was it. Like, if you just want to, install unknown applications and there is some sort of signing issue or you have not signed your application properly, then you can do this way. This was, I guess, the easiest way which you could do. So if you like what you saw, and if there is, if you're knowing someone who really needs this kind of help, you can just share this video with them. And that is it for now, guys. So if you just have any sort of other problems, you can just share it with me in the comment section. If I'll be free, I'll be definitely looking forward for solving your problem. And for now, thanks a lot. Bye bye, take care.